Hello guys, welcome back. It has been a minute. Okay, so today I will be talking about some of Olympus Prime setups for the upcoming week. And I'll be talking about, and I'll begin with USD CAD. Okay, so if we are looking at USD CAD, we do see an area of support at 1.3316 and an area of resistance at 1.3637, that region. So if you guys can see on the chart, there's a number of vertical lines which mark out the Federal Reserve, or rather, sorry, the Bank of Canadian interest rate hikes. Okay, so we do see from 0.5 on last October to 0.5 on December to 0.5, 0.25 in January, and then it began maintaining its interest rates. Okay, so for the upcoming interest rate or monetary policy, so we do expect it to maintain for the CAD. Okay, so personally for me, I believe that USD CAD, looking at the technical standpoint, it is actually in some form of range, okay, for the USD CAD. Okay, and personally for me, I do believe that we are still going to continue ranging because there has not been a strong enough stimulant and everything in the market has already been priced in. So I do foresee price, starting to consolidate over here, possibly consolidate before it breaks out, and that's when we will know what stimulus economically is going to affect the USD CAD. So that would be my forecast on the USD CAD. If I'm talking about the next week, if you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour chart, personally for me, I believe that we will continue to go sideways in a sideways market, because you can see here that the high failed to break over the previous high and the low seemingly failed to break over the previous low. So I do believe that we could potentially see some further movement up and down the USD CAD market. Okay, so that would be my forecast for USD CAD. Next, if we are going to take a look at USD CHF, okay, so if you're looking at USD CHF on the daily, let me go to the daily. All right, so we do see, let me switch on my, okay, so yes, so we do see that just give me a second, that the CPI month is actually expected to increase, okay, on Monday. So that would be a big thing for the CHF, because if the CPI is expected to increase, we could see price actually breaking above certain regions. Okay, so let me just delete this. This is a UCAD publication that we actually published, okay, and we do see that the overnight rate and etc. is actually expected to maintain at 4.5% for the CAD. Okay, so for the USD CHF, let me go forward and switch on the Forex Factory. So if I'm going to switch on the Forex Factory for the coming week, we do see that AUD has some cash rates, and if we are talking about CHF or CAD, let me show you what we can expect in the market. Okay, so we do see that the CPI for CHF on Monday, and as for CAD, we do see that there will be the overnight rate and the rate statement on Wednesday. Okay, so coming back to the charts, we are looking at USD CHF. We do see that the series of progressions for the CPI, and CPI is actually expected to increase. And if this actually, the market prints beats forecast, we can see that the USD CHF will continue bullish. Okay, so however, if vice versa, if that's not the case, we can see some further downside potential in the market. So all right here guys, okay, so this is the forecast. And also if you're looking at the market right now, okay, on the CHF for the chart on the daily time frame, we do see that the price is on a bearish trend, and we do see that we could potentially see some further upside potential coming into the market before hitting a level of resistance possibly at 0.29158 before hitting back down. So personally for me, the reason why I believe that if the CPI of the CHF actually beats market expectations, I do anticipate a lot of volatility in the market, and we could potentially tick higher to clear liquidity before we start heading back down. Okay, so my overall forecast for UCHF is bearish in the long run. Okay, so if we are looking at the chart on gold, okay, let's talk about gold. Gold actually fell a whopping almost 500 pips or 400 pips last week. Okay, from 83 to 48. Okay, around 350 pips, but still that's a lot. And I do foresee gold prices to continue heading downwards. Okay, so my personal stance on gold for the upcoming week is that it is of a bearish stance. Okay, so I do believe we could see further bearish continuations down to tap into the next level of support at 1901. Okay, 1901 area, and that is an area that I would like to be looking at for price to tap into. So that would be my personal forecast on the gold chart. Okay, so that would be it, guys. So do leave a comment and like the stream, or rather the video, and it would really mean a lot to us. And I will see you guys again next week. Okay, see you guys. Bye.